Let me ask you something. What if I told you the reason your body feels weaker isn't because you're getting old, but because of one small thing you've stopped doing? You didn't lose strength because of time. You lost it because you stopped giving your body a reason to stay strong. And here's the truth no one tells you, your muscles aren't gone. They're just asleep, waiting for you to wake them up. And today, I'll show you the one daily habit that can do exactly that. No gym, no trainer, no fancy equipment. Just a simple movement that brings your strength, confidence, and energy back, one day at a time. Because aging doesn't steal your strength. Inactivity does. Let's fix that, starting now. They say getting older means getting weaker. But that's not true. Losing muscle, feeling tired, struggling to move, these aren't signs of aging. They're signs of neglect. The real problem? Most people stop moving the way their bodies were designed to. We spend decades sitting at desks, hunched over phones, or avoiding discomfort. And slowly, without even noticing, our strength starts to fade. Then one day, something simple becomes difficult, getting up off the floor. Carrying a bag of groceries. Climbing stairs. It feels like aging hit overnight, but here's what most people don't realize, your body is still capable of rebuilding muscle, even in your 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond. You haven't missed your chance. You just need one thing, a daily habit that tells your body, we're not done yet. So what is that habit? It's not protein shakes. It's not lifting heavy weights at the gym. And it's definitely not some miracle pill. It's something you can start today, right at home, with no equipment. It's called daily resistance movement. That means short, controlled movements that lightly challenge your muscles, every single day. Think of sitting down and standing up from a chair, slowly, 10 times. Pushing against the wall like a push-up. Lifting a water bottle like a dumbbell. Holding your body still in a gentle squat for just 10 seconds at a time. These small movements might not look like much. But done daily, they begin to wake up your muscles, and send your body a powerful message, we still need strength. Keep building it. You don't need to train like an athlete, you just need to remind your body what strength feels like. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a real difference. Here's what happens when you build this habit, your balance improves, fewer stumbles, fewer falls. Your posture gets better, standing straighter, breathing easier. Your energy increases, because stronger muscles make every movement more efficient. And most importantly, your confidence returns. You start trusting your body again. That's what this habit does. It's not about getting fit. It's about staying capable. Independent. Alive. Now, let's talk about the science. After age 30, adults naturally lose muscle mass, around 3 to 8% per decade. After 60, that loss can speed up. This is called sarcopenia, and it affects millions. But research shows that consistent resistance training, even at low intensity, helps reverse this decline. That means it's never too late. Even if you've been inactive for years. Even if you feel weak now. Even if you've never exercised a day in your life. You can start with just one movement a day. Here's a simple routine anyone can try at home, chair squats, sit down and stand up from a sturdy chair, 10 reps. Wall push UPS, hands on the wall, feet a few steps back, lower and press, 10 reps, heel raises, hold a chair, rise up onto your toes slowly, 10 reps. March in place, raise each knee gently, one at a time, for 30 seconds. Water bottle curls, light bicep curls using any small weight, 10 reps per arm. You don't need to do them all at once. You don't need to do them perfectly. You just need to do something, daily. The consistency is what signals your body to grow stronger. And when you do this every day, you begin to notice something beautiful, the stairs don't feel so hard anymore. Your legs feel more stable. Your arms feel more useful. You feel more alive. Aging doesn't mean giving up. It means taking care of the machine that's carried you this far. You've spent a lifetime building wisdom. Now it's time to rebuild strength, one day, one habit, one small movement at a time. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to feel ready. Start today. Right now. Stand up. Stretch. Move with purpose. Because this one daily habit could be the beginning of a new chapter. Not weaker, not slower, but stronger than ever before. If this message moved you, hit the like button, subscribe for more powerful health content, and share this video with someone who needs hope, strength, and a fresh start. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're just getting started.